to my channel. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair this color. It is a soft black, as you guys can see. Okay, so I got this at Walmart. This is soft black. So let me open it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it has the cream. And it has the color, which is black in here. And then it has the conditioner, so when you take a shower, you put it. And it has the instructions and the, hold on, and the gloves right here. So let me put everything back inside here and I'll show you what I do. Okay, so I'm going to put this color inside here and then we're going to shake it. So let me open this. This is what it looks like. And we're going to shake this. And we're going to pour this in here. All of it. Like that. And don't forget to close this because... And then we put this on. Put this on. And then we shake. Okay, so before you begin dyeing your hair, when you brush it, just brush your hair. And just brush. I'm gonna shake really good again. And I'm gonna open this little thing here. I'm gonna open it here. Yes. So you guys can see what I'm doing. Whoop, there we go. Okay, so now we begin adding it to our hair. Alright guys, don't forget the gloves. Put my gloves on. I'll put my gloves on. And really good. And we're ready to do girl hair. So this is what I look right now. I look like a mess, but I did the eyebrows, and then this is what it all looks like on the back and everything. Leave it for 25 minutes, and after the 25 minutes, I already put my alarm. So after the 25 minutes, I'm just gonna go in the shower, take everything off, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. I have to wait until my hair dries, so just to look at it, because wet doesn't look well, but I'll be right back. Bam! All showered. It's still a little bit wet, but this is what it looks like. 360. So yeah, so this is my new hair color. I'm gonna get used to it. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll put my social media below down here. So stay safe out there and enjoy the rest of your night. Bye.